Today I am packing for my big trip. I am so excited. Let me check my packing list first. I do not want to forget anything. First, I need to pack my clothes. Let me choose carefully now. Should I bring the blue shirt or the white shirt today? I will bring both. It is always good to have choices. I fold my clothes carefully so they do not get wrinkled inside. I need 2 pairs of jeans for my trip. One blue, one black. Now I need socks and underwear. These are very important items. I roll my jeans to save space in my suitcase. Very smart. I pack these in the small spaces. No space is wasted. I need pajamas to sleep comfortably every night. 2 sets, please. My clothes are packed perfectly. This looks very good so far. I need a jacket and a sweater for cold weather too. Yeah? Now I am ready for any kind of weather on my trip. Good thinking. I cannot forget my sunglasses, and I need my phone charger. I put small things in this pocket so they are safe. Now I need my toiletries from the bathroom. Very important things. Toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, and deodorant. I need all of these. My toiletry bag is full now. Everything I need is inside. I put my toiletry bag on top carefully. Perfect spot there. My passport and tickets. These are the most important things ever. I keep my passport in my backpack, never in the suitcase. I need extra shoes, sandals for beach and boots for walking. I put shoes in plastic bags so they stay clean. Camera for photos. Book and music for the plane. And music, it's adventure. I put my camera between soft clothes so it does not break. I need some snacks for the airplane. Healthy snacks are best. Actually, snacks go in my backpack. Easy to reach. On the plane. Let me think carefully. Am I forgetting something important here? I remember. almost forgot my medicine bin and first aid kit. Good thing I remembered. These are very important. I am so glad I remembered them. One more shirt and a scarf. Better safe than sorry. I press everything down gently to make more space available. Let me check my list one more time. Everything must be here. Clothes, check. Toiletries, check. Shoes, check. Camera, check. Everything packed. Perfect! Everything on my list is packed. I did great! Now I close my suitcase carefully. Everything fits perfectly inside. I press down hard and close the clasps. Click! Click! I zip it all the way around for extra security. Ready to... My suitcase has wheels, very easy to roll and carry everywhere. I check the weight. 22 kilograms. Perfect, not too heavy. It rolls smoothly. It rolls smoothly. This will be easy in the airport. My backpack is ready too. Passport, tickets, and snacks inside. I look good. My travel outfit is comfortable and nice. I look good. My travel outfit is comfortable and nice. Let me look around one more time. Did I forget anything? No! I have everything I need! I'm ready to go. Here I go. Time to leave for the airport now. I lock my apartment door. I will be gone for 7 days. Now I go to the elevator. The airport taxi is waiting. The elevator is here. Here I go. My trip is starting. My trip is starting now. I am so excited, ready and ready. Let us go.